Welcome to World Review Zone's another videos.
Are you new to AppSumo and wondering how to actually find the best lifetime software deals? In today's video, we're covering AppSumo for beginners, how it works, why people love it, and how you can save hundreds on tools for your business. If you're tired of expensive subscriptions, this video is for you. What is AppSumo? AppSumo is a deal platform for digital products and software, designed for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small businesses. Instead of paying monthly or yearly for tools like marketing automation, SEO, AI, or design software, you can buy lifetime access with a single payment. Think of it as a marketplace where new and established software companies launch deals, and you, as a user, get early access at a massive discount. Some tools you buy here can save you thousands over time. How it works, step by step. Here's how to use AppSumo as a beginner. Create a free account. Visit AppSumo and sign up. It's free to browse deals. Browse by category. Search for tools in categories like AI, marketing, SEO, video editing, productivity, and e-commerce. Check the deal details. Each product page shows features, pricing, and reviews from other buyers. Look for lifetime deals. Most deals are one-time purchases, but check the fine print, some are annual. Risk-free testing. Almost every purchase comes with a 60-day refund policy, so you can try it out before committing. Why use AppSumo? Here's why so many people love AppSumo. Huge cost savings. Lifetime deals can replace expensive monthly tools. Early access to new apps. Many tools debut here before they become popular. 60-day refund policy. Test tools without risk. Curated quality. Most deals are vetted, and customer reviews help filter the best ones. It's ideal for startups, freelancers, and anyone wanting to scale a business without overspending. Don't buy every deal. Focus only on tools you'll actually use. Check reviews and ratings before buying. Watch for limited time offers. Some deals vanish after a few days. Follow AppSumo's newsletter for flash sales and freebie alerts. If you're ready to explore AppSumo, I've included a link in the description where you can create a free account and browse the latest deals. It's a simple way to save money and discover powerful tools for your business. Thanks for watching World Review Zone. Hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which AppSumo deal you want us to review next.